We have 2 thumbs up. That means drivers, hands off controllers in 3, 2, 1, go! We are underway the 1 seed. Scream Bros already off and running with 3 up top. Their opponents, the Pioneers, with 3 up top of their own, but only 1 go in. 6.89 high voltage, draining 3 from downtown. The sliding gantry of short round, 12.783. Grabbing artifacts from that far side, trying to line themselves up and shoot it from the far back. Not quite able to. But Scream Bros are there to pick up a slack with another one up top for the Red Alliance, the number 1 seed. They've got another one inside their robot, and that one will go in. Blue Alliance looks like high voltage may be hung up on something, but it's hard to tell from here.
Drivers,
as Pioneer helps give the Blue Alliance the lead. Let's score 48-6, 52-62. Blue Alliance has the advantage coming out of autonomous.
2, 1.
As drivers now taking control. Short round, here they go. They've got 2 inside the robot, the sliding gantry machine. 1 going in, 2 going in as well. Scream Bros trying to pick up the slack with 3 of their own. 1, 2, 3, bang, 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 all they go. 25-656, Pioneer Robotics opening up that classifier for the Blue Alliance as high voltage struggles to find space alongside short round. Shots colliding in midair. Short round not quite able to get there, but they're poaching from their human player side. Norwalk Rover Warriors purple trying to prevent Blue Alliance from getting space. Scream Bros picking up the slack with fast cycles of their own. Very efficiently, well-driven machine. Here goes Pioneers with 2 up of their own, trying to grab 3 more, but there's nothing there for them to grab. Scream Bro just keeps on cycling back and forth. Are they able to pick up the slack? 1 of them goes in, 2 of them bounce off each other. High voltage from downtown. Looks like their turret isn't quite online, but can they get it there? Yes, they will. Here comes short round from close by. 1, 2, 3. Going up and in, 2 of them will count for a 15-point swing for red. Pioneers once again opening up their classifier for blue as 14-204 continues to cycle for the Red Alliance. Short round with 2 up top, 2 green as well. Pioneers continuing to cycle once again. High voltage trying to line themselves up. 1 goes in out of 2. Red Alliance trying to close the gap down 169 to 175, 175 to 190. It is close. Classifier once again being open. Secret tunnel foul called on blue. That could be a big point swing. Another 6-pointer going in from Scream Bros as they shoot on the move. Very impressive from the number 1 seeded captain. Pioneers shooting in from up close once again. Short round from downtown trying to struggle to find space against high voltage, playing some defense, knocking them off the line. Looks like Robo Warriors may be having some indexing trouble, but they're able to get themselves back on the right foot again. Scream Bros right behind them, 2:34. It's tied, folks. Can Scream Bros take the lead? Short round, they have, looks like no artifacts inside the robot. Now playing defense on high voltage. Scream Bros continuing to shoot. Short round moves to go park. Blue Alliance has a lead by 7 points as time expires. Scores on the board. It's the Blue Alliance. They pull off the upset of the number 1 seed by a score of 292 to 281. Please, a big round of applause for your number 1 seed. They fought admirably throughout this whole tournament.